What's the meaning of caboose? Caboose. Caboose.
Caboose. Caboose. A caboose is a term used to describe the last car of a freight train, which traditionally served as a shelter for the train's crew. The caboose was equipped with cooking facilities, sleeping quarters, and a lookout platform for viewing the train's rear. However, with the advent of more modern technology, such as radios and sensors, the caboose became less necessary and has largely been phased out in modern rail transportation. Today, the term caboose is often used figuratively to refer to the last remaining member or item in a group, or as a synonym for rear or end.